over a certain like amount of square footage or perimeter. So how the system would work is you have 4 posts, and what we're wanting to do to bring the cost down is have one main smart post. So this post does basically all the processing and everything. So what happens is the user can have to set the 4 posts for the area. The main post gets set first. Then the next, we call it like a dummy post. It's basically like a relay circuit. So this post gets laid down, and when we lay it down, the lasers from the main post will be on, and basically you try to position it to where it will be aligned. Then there will be an LED indication on that post, and you go forth until the entire setup's complete. So, and then to arm the system, what we're wanting to use is an RFID key. So that way there's no like need for a passcode to remember anything, because on a construction site there's multiple people going in and out, or who could be there, because there's different contractors and stuff. One person can be there later than the other person, so we want to have like 5 keys that people can use to arm the system or disarm the system. As well, we're wanting to do, once like one of the walls are tripped, the trip will be relayed back to the main post. Then the main post will alarm and send an email to the user. So our goals are basically to have a transmitting and receiving distance of 25 feet. Basically have a 70% success rate, because we're also, since it's outside, there is weather factors, and then also like other things like maybe a leaf blows through it. And then we also want the highest sensor to be 4.5 feet from the ground. We want an RFID read, email. In the working conditions, we want it like evening, night, and because we're using multiple lasers, we're wanting to get at least a minimum of 4 hours from our battery life. And then we also want to create a decent casing for it to hold it, so it's sturdy enough, so that way, you know, if someone like accidentally gets a hammer on it or something, it doesn't whack, or it doesn't mess up the system too bad. So for this semester so far, we have like basically a 2-gate post system. The main post sends the laser out to the dummy post, or the relay post, and the relay laser will go off back to the photoresistor on the main post. Then from there, there's an LED indication. Then the user can press a button saying, I want to arm the system. The system is armed. Then once one of the lines are tripped, the alarm will go off. And then next semester, we're just wanting to increase like the amount of posts and get good readings and making sure the RFID and email works with the unit. Thank you for your time.
Questions? I have a couple. You said the distance that you're working with is what, 25 feet?
We're wanting to hit up to like around 25.
And 4 feet off the ground. This isn't a perimeter alarm system. Is this a gate? Are you planning for a gate?
It's kind of, yeah, like, so you would set it up with perimeter or a certain area, and yeah, it's basically 4 posts, and between each post is basically a gate. So then what happens is once someone goes through one of the sides, it blocks those water resistors, therefore turning out the lasers on the other post, and then it continues.
Yeah. Have you picked out a laser, or have you actually put these 25 feet apart and said, look, there's probably a little bit of atmosphere dispersion in that laser, and the energy may be an issue?
So
system out there, you've got a little dog, and you can set up a perimeter around it and detect, actually the dog wears a collar, I like the team a little bit. But, the dog is shot when it goes past this perimeter. You might compare the attributes between your system and that type of system.
I would say also, if you're in Texas, but cattle ranchers that have large plots of land, if they're having to worry about coyotes or some other animals coming onto the land and actually attacking sheep or other livestock, that's one thing that we also look to see if something penetrated. If you have one light versus two lights, you would expect that they're going to break two lights. So some of the work might be to say, how long does the light have to be broken before it enters a human versus a leaf or some other.
Yeah, that's what we were thinking about too, like, because basically if someone walks through